So I'm going to explain how to use the Inzer wrap. So first of all, you have a thumb loop or a thumbless thumb loop. You put the thumb through it. You're going to cover the top 1/3 of your hand in an upward spiral. We're going to do it to a medium intensity revolution. Then you're going to cover 1/2 of the wrap, and then you're going to go around. This last wrap should be the tightest. So you can anchor it in, and then you're going to go around the middle. And you've got a full revolution, put it in place. If you start losing the sensation in your hands, it's because you've got this first revolution too tight, and then you'll struggle to grab the bar. And on the under revolution on the first one, you want to make sure that you don't cover your palm. You want to go just under your palm, so you don't lose grip of the barbell.